Hi, Alistair here from Measure Manage. I wanted to say hello, introduce myself and tell you a bit more about my business. Are you struggling to find specifically trained quantity surveyors who understand formwork and civil projects? Well, here at Measure Manage, we specialise in formwork and civil projects, providing our clients with estimating, takeoffs, planning, design, as well as contract administration. We offer fully marked up drawings using our strict measuring protocols through Bluebeam. With this, we also provide a full video recording explaining our work that allows you to understand what we have done once we send everything through. We can also provide daily updates with our projects, including fully tracked hours using our online timing tracker. We can email any questions through and jump onto a Zoom meeting to run through anything that needs to be discussed. We have an estimating system and processes designed and refined specifically for this type of estimating. So here's a brief overview of some of the things that we can estimate for you. So the concrete types, supply and placement of the test and testing, reinforcement tonnages and any delivery schedules, concrete pumping, the amount of concrete pump visits that might be required, formwork, what type of system would be best used and where, depending on the type of systems you own or can hire. So your transport, how many trips from your yard to the project for mobilisation and demobilisation, the labour, the man hours and those costs, any prelims such as project managers, quantity surveyors, designers, any facilities, plant and any other prelim items. We can source any required materials for the project from your suppliers or new suppliers and obtain their quotes. We can use your company provided email to send and receive emails from colleagues or clients if required. We can take part in any estimating reviews via Zoom so that we can directly discuss the project face to face and provide bills of quantities in either your format or ours, whichever you prefer. And then if you are successful with winning the project, we can go through and assist you with setting up the material orders, planning, contract administration, progress claims, variations, cash flows and forecasts. Here in Australia, we provide these services for around 5 to 10 projects per week, and our services are available to the UK market as well. We are more than happy to discuss and answer any of your questions, so make sure to send us an email today and we will manage the rest.